I guess I wasn't feeling okay. I thought that space and time went back and forth and sideways. I'm putting out fires all over the place. I guess it knocked me sideways. Oh, she made me go.
Now it's time we share out the money for equal parts.
But I have worked harder than you.
What's the matter? What doesn't the plane?
Screw the plane. I have working harder getting the money. I risked my life getting the money. I won't get the same part as you.
What you say is very fair. But it was me who thought all the plans, so I'm going to get all the money.
Haha, you are a very good comedian, but don't forget that I have a handgun too.
Me too. Fuck you.
And yes, you plan everything, but you don't need nothing more.
That's true, bitch.
And don't forget the leader. He wants his part.
Fuck the boss. He gave us the idea and believe himself he can earn the same as us. I'm leaving. Oh! What the fuck are you doing?
Save your skin. I don't want you to mess everything up and the boss killing us.
Fuck the boss.
You better leave the money in the bag if you don't want yet a souvenir like him. You will stay till calm, no moving, far away from your handgun. And you left the handgun and you'll sit by my side.
Okay, relax.
Fuck. Fucking envious. What are you doing with your money, asshole?
I don't know. Maybe we'll go to a good hospital where they can save my leg, for example.
But it's a scratch, moron.
But I'm bleeding, my negro amigo.
Your amigo? So, do you see me with a sleeveless face?
I see you with a city face.
I sit in your fucking left. Your face is a seat. My negro amigo? I kill him. I kill you. And I fuck your corpus.
If you die, everybody will get more money.
Fuck you, asshole.
Also, it will be a great show that some way fuck a corpse.
Did you hear that? You're gonna die, piece of shit.
But I have no with a death. I want to get involved in a murder.
You're a fucking big mouth.
Shut up, bitch.
But if you stick a bit in, don't happen nothing.
Fuck yeah. Oh, shit.
You have been tattooing me for days. Fuck.
And there will be more clown.
Manuel, he doesn't kill you.
Look, I have spoken to him. We have made a deal.
What?
Yes, to be honest, all these days I have enjoyed torturing you. Hearing you screaming, it's magic. And don't want to stop doing it. I'm giving my power to one, so he lets me do to your whatever I want.
But I won't let him kill you.
Basically, he's going to watch that I'm not crossing the line, but we're going to have
Can
fun.
I say something?
Of course, my negro amigo.
I haven't been shitting for days. Not drunk, just tearing my stomach. And I have seen some verses over there.
I won't let you sit. You'll swim in your own turn, my negro amigo.
Oh, come on.
Fuck you, let him shit. You're gonna do him more.
When we stop looking at him, he's gonna try to escape. I don't want to. Nuts.
But he's tied hand and feet. Fuck.
I don't give a shit, nuts. Me, he shit himself.
I'm willing to stand Tortoise, but not a diarrhea attack. Come on.
He's gonna get away, and you know it.
Well, I shoot in the other leg, dude. Don't worry.
I'm gonna tell you a story. Action happens in a pet shop, which is quite filthy. It seems like a storage room, but don't get you fooled. It's a storage room.
Calm down. In an hour I am closing the shop and we're playing in the sofa. Good morning. How can I help you?
This parrot is faulty. I demand a refund.
Listen, are you pulling my leg or what?
This parrot is supposed to speak French.
Give it to me, Shelty! Give it to me, Shelty!
Do you see that? It's English.
Listen to me. I don't know what this madness is. It's not a parrot.
And what does it speak? And the beak is an ornament? When I bought this parrot here, I thought that it was from Lisbon, not from Cambridge.
I want it hot and wet!
Look, this is not a parrot. It's a moron and you are another too. Look, it's not a parrot. It's a dude with a shitty costume.
Sit on the face! On the face!
Asshole, you have fucked my parrot.
Stop! Please. Don't break anymore.
It's okay. I'm not going to put a foot on this shop anymore.
Ha! You have him swindled, sir.
What do you mean with this?
You're being swindled with something, like the shop owner. Look, I'm sated.
Fuck. Well, now?
I told you, I fought him.
Sit yourself, little parrot.
Truth is that I haven't shook my shadow, and every day is trying to trick me into doing battle. Calling out fake up, wanna get me rattled. Wanna pull me back behind the fence with the cattle. Building your lenses, digging your trenches. Put me on the front line, leave me with a dumb mind with no defenses. But your defenses, if you can't stand to feel the pain, then you are senseless. Sense this.
¡Terremoto!
Oh no, cuesta andar.